Huh?
It's the best one of our bones.
What, nothing? Nothing? Is it gonna be one of those days? Is it really gonna be one of those days? Got him! Oh my gosh, what the heck is going on with my drag? Huh? Whew.
I'd say what is it? Nice little 2. Maybe.
This thing?
Huh?
Nah, 1.5. Look at that, choked it. Decent little bass here. Yeah, he was pushing 2.
I'd say 1 and 1.
Oh, where? Where? Where'd you miss it?
Huh?
Where'd you miss it? Huh?
Straight out.
Straight out?
Yeah, I'm gonna get it. Don't you? No bass.
Sure. I'll just be right here casting that way then. Want me to give it a go? There it is. There you go. Oh my goodness. Should I give it a go? Calvin can't seem to catch a break here. It might not even be a bass.
Yeah, I think it might be a pike. The only pike blindly hit like that.
Right. Well, it could be a bowfin too. So you're still gonna keep me off limits from that spot? Fine, then I'll cast right next to the weeds away from you then. Oh God! God dang! Yeah. What? Like he whacked it and everything. Jeez. Calvin's going nuts over there because he can't catch one little bass over there.
Look at how he's hitting that craw.
Yeah. So can I have a go yet or no? Switching up tactics here, throwing around the buzzbait, the spinnerbait now. See if I can get anything else on that. Whoa, I just spooked something off. Look at that right away. That's a pike, I think. No, that's a bass. Oh, that's a pike. Yep. Okay, you need to calm down. Look, he whacked the trailer hook, guys. Came right out. Pretty little pike. Sorry about the... Look, now he's just sitting there. Sorry about the weird release, but there's really no other way down there. Look, he's just kind of hanging up by shore there now. Don't know if the GoPro I don't know if the GoPro's catching him just hanging out on shore here, but he's moving all right. Who would have thought? Trusty old War Eagle. Dude, that's a big old bullfrog. Got a big old bullfrog chasing my frog. Ah, dang it. Oh, he's not coming back. I got too much of him. Dang it. I probably only ever caught one frogfish thrown from this side. Got one?
Yeah.
Ooh. Ooh. There we go. There we go. Flipper on. Nice 2-pounder.
That's it.
All right.
What'd you say? 2? 2.5 maybe? Maybe pushing 2.5. Maybe.
Maybe. What do you do? Just inhale it under?
Yeah.
Sick.
Weren't you just supposed to say you only caught one from here before?
Yeah. Well, it looks like you finally caught yourself a Washington Lake bass.
Oh, it destroyed it too.
Oh my goodness. Look at that frog.
I just flipped it. Yeah, and that was right as you were about to say you've only caught like one from here.
Right.
Yeah, I saw it. I thought it missed because it looked like it hit from behind. And I was like, wait, where's my frog? And I was like, oh shit, better set the hook.
Got one. Right as he's coming back.